Hi all, this is Tyler Krompiatek from Canisius. In this video we show how to copy quizzes in D2L. We can do this to duplicate quiz settings. Additionally, this can be used to create study guides from quizzes for students. Let's get started. In a D2L course, go to the Quiz tab. Click on the caret to the right of a quiz we want to copy. Select Copy in the menu that appears. This will send us to the quiz editor screen for the copied quiz. All of the questions have been copied over. Most of the settings have been copied over too. The only exception is that the new quiz is not connected to the gradebook. We can start changing the quiz as needed. To use the quiz as a study guide, go first to Availability Dates and Conditions. Change the start and end dates appropriately. Then go to the Attempts and Completion section. Make sure Attempts is set to Unlimited. Then check the Evaluation and Feedback section. Make sure that the checkbox for Auto-Publish Attempt Results is checked. Also make sure that the checkbox is checked for Attempt Grade and is set to show all questions with correct answers. Make sure to unhide the quiz and select Save and Close. Now the quiz can be used as a study guide. That's it for this video. If there are any questions or comments, please email us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.